Nate, turn around, look at the gate.
I can't say.
Yes.
But it's just
I will
something
make
you
sure.
have to really know, though, for sure. So, but
God, look at that. That's a lot of dogs.
it seems pretty
That's
cool.
a
whole
lot
bunch of
of
dogs.
fucking dogs.
I'd say that one's a little bit bigger.
A little bit, yeah. But that's what she is, like half of that.
Oh, yeah.
Pipers.
You'll thank me for this later, Billy.
Yeah. Wow.
Good Lord, y'all could wreck a house.
God damn.
Wreck a house.
Throw them in a China shop, man. You got problems.
Give you a house and break with love.
Oh, that is awesome.
Fantastic. Good job.
How old is
Oh
Oliver?
man, Hunter bought that.
Yeah. 2?
Yeah, about close to the same age. It's like 14 months, I think.
No, you're not going.
God damn. That's cute as shit.
Oh.
That's awesome, man.
Oh, man.
Oh,
That was the best picture
that
ever.
was awesome.
Dude,
That's
I'm
shit, man. Somebody need to get some photos for show.
Dude, you,
That was amazing. Good creatures. No, yeah.
oh.
I can see a little bit of the breed resemblance in the face.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
It's like in the,
No, you're right. You're right.
like right there.
No, you're right.
So sweet.
She's definitely that. Never even noticed that, but you're right.
But the rest isn't like it at all.
No, that's the
she got no
Labrador.
fur,
Like
she
right
got no fur.
there.
She's mostly yellow line, but she got some of that guy in her.
That's where she gets the legs from.
Liable to tonight.